hello, my name is Priyal and I'm back with another video. Hope you all are doing great. So today's video is going to be a festive glow up at home. As you all know, Diwali is here and Diwali is this big festival that we all love to celebrate and हम सबको अपना बेस्ट दिखना होता है. तो ये सब बेस्ट दिखने के लिए मैंने कुछ चीजें की हैं फॉर दिस दिवाली ग्लो अप जो आप आगे वीडियो में देखेंगे. आप चाहें तो ये सारी चीजें आप सैलून जाके भी करा सकते हैं, बट ये सारी चीजें मैंने घर पर ही की है. एंड अगर आप सैलून नहीं जाना चाहते हैं और ये सारी चीजें आप घर पर ही करना चाहते हैं तो ये वीडियो को लास्ट तक देखिए, क्योंकि आपको पता चलेगा कि ये सब चीजें मैंने घर पे कैसे की है. नाउ विदाउट एनी फर्दर अडू लेट्स गेट इनटू द वीडियो. बट बिफोर स्टार्टिंग दिस वीडियो, इफ यू हैवंट सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल yet, please subscribe to my channel. And without any further ado, let's get into the video. So for oiling my hair here, I'm using the Parachute coconut oil. आप चाहे तो कोई भी coconut oil यूज कर सकते हैं. After that, I'm adding aloe vera gel to it. आप चाहे तो fresh aloe vera gel भी यूज कर सकते हैं, बट मैं यहाँ पर पतंजलि का aloe vera gel यूज कर रही हूँ. और फिर मैं इन दोनों को बहुत अच्छे से मिक्स करूँगी, जिससे मैं ये अच्छे से इवनली अपने बाल पर लगा सकूँ. And now I'm detangling my hair properly जिससे हम अच्छे से oiling कर पाए. And now I'm applying oil on my scalp and I'm massaging using my fingertips in a circular motion. I'm using aloe vera gel and coconut oil here because it not only oils your hair but also makes your hair soft and frizz-free and works as a hair mask also. Now I will leave it for like 2 hours and then I will wash it off with the help of a conditioner and shampoo. Now for the face mask, I'm taking 2 spoons of yogurt and then I'm adding turmeric to it and I'm mixing it together because I want a smooth paste to apply it on my face. Turmeric is very good for your skin as it contains antioxidants which provide glow to your skin. Now I'm applying this face mask with the help of a brush. आप चाहें तो अपने fingers की help से भी लगा सकते हैं. I'm using the brush here because I find it convenient, and then I will leave it for like 15 minutes and then I will wash it off. As you can see, after applying this face mask, my face is glowing and I really like this glow. ये काफ़ी easy है and ये काफ़ी helpful है. आप भी इसे try कर सकते हैं. Now for the hair care, I'm going to apply serum here. This is the only hair care routine that I follow. Make sure you're applying serum properly on your damp hair. Your hair should not be too wet or too dry. Always make sure you are applying serum on your damp hair. For the pedicure, first you need to trim and shape your nails. Remove your nail polish with the nail polish remover and trim your nails neatly. Make sure you're cutting your nails properly और उसके corners ज़्यादा नहीं काट रहे हैं, क्योंकि corners ज़्यादा कट जाते हैं तो थोड़ा painful हो जाता है. So make sure you're trimming it properly. Second step is to give your feet a nice foot bath. I have a tub full of warm water जिस पे मैंने salt and shampoo ऐड किया है. आप चाहें तो essential oil भी ऐड कर सकते हैं. And then I will leave my feet for like 15 minutes and then I will move on to the next step. The next step is exfoliating. Once you are done with the foot bath, dry it with the help of a tissue or towel and then massage it for a while and leave it for a few minutes. Now with the help of the nail cutter only, I'm getting rid of all the dead skin cell that is around my nails. मार्केट में काफ़ी सारी pedicure kits भी अवेलेबल हैं, आप चाहे तो वो भी परचेज कर सकते हैं, बट मैंने यहाँ पर nail cutter ही यूज़ किया है. Now your nails are ready to be painted. You can apply any nail paint color that you want. Apply 2 coats of your nail paint and you are done. Here comes the face spa. The first step is to clean your skin well. Here I am using this face wash from Himalayas to clean my face, as cleaning your face is the most important step to get rid of all the dirt and makeup that is on your skin. So here I am massaging this face wash properly and then I will wash it off. Let's move on to the next step. The next step is to exfoliate. Exfoliating helps remove dead skin cells from the surface of your skin and it helps to make sure the rest of the products you apply are properly absorbed. Here I am using the Everyuth face scrub for exfoliating my skin. I will keep it for like 2 minutes and then I will wash it off with the help of normal tap water. Now here comes the main step for the face spa, that is to steam your face. I'm using a normal steamer here. Make sure the water is not too hot, नहीं तो आपकी skin irritate हो सकती है. Face steaming is very important as it opens up your pores and helps to remove the dead skin, and it also helps in circulation. So I will do this step for like 15 minutes and then I will move on to the next step. Now here with the help of my fingers I'm getting rid of the blackheads that is around my nose. आप चाहे तो extraction tool भी use कर सकते हैं, but मैं यहाँ पर fingers use कर रही हूँ. Now here I'm going to apply moisturizer on my skin. I'm using Nivea moisturizer. I'm taking it on my fingers, rubbing it properly, and then I'm applying it on my skin. And after that, using my fingers, I will give myself a facial massage for like 5 to 10 minutes, and that's it for the facial spa. So that brings us to the end of this video. I really hope you liked this video and found this video informative. If you did, you all know the drill. You have to like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also follow me on my Instagram. My Instagram handle is this. I will see you all in my next video. Till then, see ya.